Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love with Ethna. Today I am here with my another recipe that is bhindi curry or okra curry or ladies finger you can say, but okra curry or bhindi curry. So for that preparation we require this is 750 grams of okra and we have chopped it like this way, and this is the potato. This is the two big size potato I have taken for 750 grams of okra, and I chopped it like julienne. And for that you require for spices, this is small size tomato, one, this is onion, some cloves of garlic, ginger, and two small size or medium size, this is chili. And for spices we require some cumin powder, some coriander powder, and definitely some red chili powder. Okay, so let's start the journey of doing bhindi curry. So friend, here you can see, and right now I am switch on the gas, and this is the pan, and here I have taken Umami healthy and tasty rice bran oil. Okay, so this amount of oil is required. First of all, I would like to fry it off the total okra first, then only we go for frying the potatoes. Okay, so first of all we have to fry it off all the okras, and we definitely after that we keep aside, then only we fried off this potato. Okay, yes, the heat is there. Here I am right now giving the okra, yes, like this way, and I will fry it up. After that I will be telling the next process. Here I am not going to use any type of salt or turmeric powder. I will fry it up without salt and without turmeric powder. Okay. So friend, here you can see the texture of the fried okras. The color turns black, so that means I have already fried it well. There is no need of over frying. So now I am keep aside the total okras here, and again I will be frying off the potato. Okay, so here again I have adding little bit of oil. This amount of oil is required. Now I am frying off the potatoes. Here I am not using any salt or turmeric powder during the frying, and here this recipe I will be doing without using of any water. So that is why you have to fry all your okras and potatoes well as after few minutes I will be adding the onions too. Haphazardly I have chopped the onions. This is the onion, and this is the I have grated ginger and garlic, and also adding the total spices like turmeric powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder, and I will be mix it up with little bit of water. Then I will be using here. Here I am not using this chilies or the red chili powder because of my baby. He will be very happy to having this. So I would like to keep aside the veggies first. After that I will be adding the chilies. If you friend you would like to adding the chilies first, you can. But here I am not using any chilies right now. At the end I will be adding chilies or powder, chili powder, anything I will be adding at last. So here is the process for frying the potatoes or frying the okras. I am not using any bit of salt and turmeric powder. So you have to fry it well. It need to be turned, the potato need to be turned red. Okay. Then I'll be adding the else. Okay. So let's see how the process will be going on. So friend, you can see the potatoes change its color. So here at this stage I am adding the whole chopped onion, and I have chopped this onion haphazardly, there is no name. Like this way, and now I am fried it well by with these particular potatoes. Okay. At this stage, when I have seen, yes, my onion is little bit soft, so here I am adding little pinch of salt according to the taste. I am using salt so that the potatoes and the onions gently they can become soft. Okay. So friends, here at this stage I am adding this tomato. I am going to use this tomato, this small size tomato, and definitely the mixture of ginger garlic I have grated here, and also some turmeric powder, some cumin powder, and also coriander powder, and the salt which I have already given. So at this stage I will be stirring it well so that the rawness of spices can be gone. At this stage you definitely use your chilies over here, but here I am not using chilies. The story already I have told you. Okay. At this stage I will be adding this fried okra and mix it well. Mix it well like this way and cover it with a lid so that they can prepare by itself. I am not here using any water for boiling them, as because the potato is very new potatoes. They are not comes from cold areas, so they can easily boil. So here I am decrease the flame of the oven, and I'll be covering with a lid. So here friend, I have already covering this lid with this lid. As long as the potatoes are not from the cold storage, it can be easily cooked, easily boiled. So there is no worries about if I am not using water, it may boil or not. There is nothing like that. It can be boiled easily, and the okras, they are also new in this season, so you can easily boil it. You can easily prepare this. Okay. So friends, here you can see the bhindi is done. Now I am adding some chilies over here. Some chilies, I have grated the chilies and mixed it well. Here I am not going to use any sort of garam masala powder, okay, because the taste is so nice at the beginning at the seasonal veggies. So here I am stopping my bhindi curry, bhindi masala, you can say. So if you like my channel, if you like this video, please keep on sharing and also love me. And if you have any query, if you have any suggestions, please tell me in the comment section box and also let me know how do you like this. So here is the recipe of bhindi curry, bhindi masala. Okay, so till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye.